Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my presentation on pneumonia detection from chest X-ray images using convolutional neural network. I am Rokia Fabbi, student department of ECE, and my thesis supervisor is Mohammad Rabiul Islam sir, lecturer department of ECE. Here is the outline of my presentation. Basically, pneumonia is an infection that inflames the air sacs in one or both lungs. The air sacs may fill with fluid or pus. Bacteria, virus, and fungi can cause pneumonia. There are two images. One is normal air sacs and other is inflamed air sacs filled with fluid, and that is known as pneumonia. Now, artificial neural networks are basically an attempt to make a computer model of the brain. This is the basic block diagram of artificial neural network, which consists of input layers, hidden layers, and output layers. This is the basic block diagram of convolutional neural network. Convolutional neural network is a specialized neural network which is used for data processing and normally used for image detection and classification of image. It is consist of input layer, convolution layer, pooling, fully connected, and output layer. From input to pooling layer, feature will be extracted, and pooling to output layer, classification will be performed. The objectives of my thesis work are high accuracy, less medical test, low cost, reduce time, reduce death rate, getting knowledge about machine learning techniques, determining binary classification of lung diseases. In 4D, Varshney and others proposed a model where they used chest X-ray 14 dataset, DenseNet 169 model, and random forest support vector machine, etc. There are some limitations. No history of the associated patient was considered. Only frontal chest X-ray were used. Model need very high computational power. In 5, Arjun and others proposed a model where they used a dataset consists of 5,216 images and 6 models. They are VGG 16, VGG 19, ResNet 50, Inception V3, model with 2 convolution layer and model with 3 convolution layer. Feature works of their model are improve the classification accuracy of all the models, classify other lung diseases. Here are the performance table of their model. In 6, E. Ian and others proposed a model, proposed two models, exception and VGG16, where VGG16 networks is less successful for detection pneumonia cases and exception network is less successful at detecting pneumonia cases, normal cases. In 7, H. Sharma proposed two CNN models, one with a dropout layer and other without a dropout layer. Future works of their model are use of early stopping and batch normalization instead of dropout layer, use different optimizers and other data augmentation techniques in an attempt to further improve the classification accuracy. Here is the proposed methodology of my model. I have first used a dataset of chest X-ray images which consists of 5,863 images. Then I have pre-processed the images. I have labeled all the images and resized 200 by 200 and in data augmentation I have applied I have applied height shift, wide shifting, height shifting, horizontal flipping, vertical flipping. Uh, Then I have trained the model on CNN sequential CNN model with normalization and without normalization. Then I have tested the model and analysis it. Then I have showed the output level, which shows the positive pneumonia cases and normal cases. Here is the confusion matrix with normalization and without normalization. We can see that with normalization the prediction is more accurate than without normalization. Here is the result I have found from the model. The precision score is much better with normalization, that is 98.87%, where without normalization 95.5%, and recall score is 72.03% without normalization, and with normalization 74.57%. F1 score is 82.12% and 85.01% with normalization. From prediction, I have get the accuracy model accuracy without normalization 81.37%, and with normalization 89.71%, and I have showed the model losses. This is the ROC curve for normalization in sequential CNN model and the without normalization. And it is the predicted chest X-ray images. The red color defines the false prediction of the chest X-ray images. We can see that the prediction of pneumonia from chest X-ray images with normalization is far more better than without normalization. There are some constraints of my model. The classification is binary classification. Multiple diseases classification was not applied. The amount of images is comparatively small. Recall score of model is comparatively low. No history of patient was included during diagnosis of disease. The future of work of my thesis are different pretend model will be applied in future multiple class lung diseases will be predicted. More feature will be extracted for better accuracy. And these are the references. Thank you.